अर्ज किया है दोस्तों। हर शाम आती है कुछ याद लेकर, हर शाम जाती है कुछ याद लेकर, और आज की शाम आई है बहुत खास, जो आई है हम सभी को एक साथ लेकर। So hello friends, myself Ritik Mardi, your host for today. So let's start the program in the name of Lord. And thank you Vikram sir for giving me a big opportunity. Thank you so much. Our program theme is storytelling. What is storytelling? Storytelling is an art. This impact for the life of student and adult also. So storytelling teaches us moral value. So storytelling is most important for student life. So don't waste time. I would like to call my first candidate, Mr. Abhishek Bhaiya. Abhishek Bhaiya, come on the stage and tell the topic of tit for tat. A big round of applause, Mr. Abhishek Bhaiya. Hi Abhishek Bhaiya,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. Abhishek Bhaiya, tell the topic of tit for tat.
Yes, I start. Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar. Today I am tell one beautiful story. A story name is Tit for Tat. Once upon a time, there was a village. A old man used to live in a village. He had one daughter. A daughter name is Ria. Ria was a stubborn girl. One day, Ria went in front of father and said, "Papa, Papa, I need money." Father said, "Now I don't give you money." Um, After listening this, Ria said, "If you don't give me money, then I won't go to school." After saying this, he come out from home and said loudly, "I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa." After saying this, he went to mountain and said loudly, "I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa." Same sound returned from mountain. "I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa." After listening this, Ria is scared and Ria thought there is a ghost in the mountain. And then Ria come in home and told everything her father. Then father said, "Let's go, son. Let's go, daughter. Let's go, daughter." Then both of us went to mountain and father said, "Tell me, daughter, what had you say?" Daughter said, I I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa." Same sound returned from mountain. "I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa. I hate you, Papa." Father said, "Tell me, daughter, I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa." Daughter said loudly, "I hate you, Papa. I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa." After listening this, Ria become happy and Ria said her father, "Dad, that ghost is my friend." Father explained her daughter, "If you respect other, then other respect you. If you wear red goggles, then world look like red. If you wear white goggles, then world look like white." So by this story, we can say tit for tat. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Well said, Abhishek Bhaiya. It is indeed truly because if we do good, it will be good. If we do bad, it will be bad. So, tit for tat is very good topic. So don't waste time. I would like to call my second candidate, Mr. Vicky. Vicky, come on the stage and tell the topic of mind is the best. A big round of applause, Mr. Vicky. Hi, Vicky.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. Vicky, tell the topic of mind is the best.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Vicky Kumar. Today I want to say beautiful story. Beautiful story name is Mine is the Best. Once upon a time there was a village. Village name was Palumpur. Old man used to live in village. He had three sons. Three sons were very lazy. One day old man was about to die. He thought, "I should take test my sons." He called other son and asked, "Can you bring wood from the forest?" Other son said, "Yes, Papa, I can bring wood from the forest." The son got ready. After getting ready, he began to go to from the forest. But when he was going to forest, then he saw Vikram sir was dancing with Riya. He thought, "I should also dance with Vikram sir." Then he went in front of Vikram sir and asked, "Can I dance with you?" Vikram sir said, "Yes, why not?" Other son began to dance, but when he was dancing, he thought, "I am getting late. I should go in forest." Then he reached forest. He saw there is nothing but tree there. He thought, "I should cut wood." Then he began to cut wood, but when he was cutting wood, Ghost appeared and said, "If you will cut wood, then I will kill you." Having listened this, other son got scared and said, "Run away." Other son coming in home, old man said, "Where are the wood?" Other son said, "Sorry, Papa, I couldn't bring wood from the forest." Then old man thought what to do, where to go, home to go, how to bring wood from the forest. He called second son and asked, Can you bring wood from the forest? Second son said, Yes, Papa, I can bring wood from the forest. Second son faced same problem. And then old man thought what to do, where to go, home to go, how to bring wood from the forest. He called third son and asked, Can you bring wood from the forest? Third son said, Yes, Papa, I can bring wood from the forest, but I have two conditions. Old man said, What is your condition? Third son said, My first condition, I need one side inside big pocket. And second condition, I need one wall key. Old man said, I complete your condition. Third son got ready. After getting ready by tractor, he went to forest. Then he saw there is nothing but tree there. He thought I should cut wood. Then he began to cut wood, but when he was cutting wood, ghost appeared and said, If you will cut wood, then I will kill you. I mentioned this. Third son doesn't scared and said, I will kill you. Ghost said, I am a ghost. How can you kill me? Third son said, Let's play a game. I have one ball here. It is divided into two parts. Whoever hit first, then he called the winner. Ghost said, I am ready. Both of them start the play. But third son wasn't eating. Rather, he was keeping inside big pocket. After some time, third son said, I am winner, I am winner, I am winner. Ghost said, You are a cheater. If you have eaten, then come out from in a stomach. Third son took knife and attacked on his stomach. Then Kir come out from her stomach uh, and said, Can you do? Ghost said, I am a ghost. I can do everything. Ghost took knife and attacked on his stomach. Then ghost died because the ghost is live in present in navel. After that, third son cut wood and coming in home. Old man said, Where are the wood? Third son said, Woods are on the tractor. Having seen, old man said, Really, you are genius and talented. So by this story, we can say mine is the best.
So thank you, Vicky. Did you like the story? So mind is the best. Very good topic because mind is a mystery. So I would like to end the program and thank you all of you.